ate my food.
Yeah?
Let me get some more.
He did. I saw him.
I know, he's big, right? Now look at that big bill. That big bill is going to help him to swish through the grasslands, scare up lizards and snakes in his home, sometimes even small mammals and birds. But they will take and they will fly in that environment. Get up into trees. It's going to be safer to roost up in a tree rather than on the ground, especially when you have big predators like lions hanging out.
Wow, that's a tiger skull. See a tiger skull?
The tiger. Where's the tiger?
Girl, this is cool.
See the tiger?
You just smelled for some bananas.
He smells bananas?
Yes. Oh!
Back up.
Going to taste everything. He's coming to you.
You do?
Back up,
There's one coming right by your head. What's that? Yeah.
But they have long heads. Because they're in the funny mirror.
That's right. They're in a funny mirror, so they have long necks.
What does zebra say?
He says, hey.
Yo,
don't
what
know.
does zebra say?
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Yeah.
Is that what he says?
Whoop, 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 whoop.
We're gonna switch them out. Yeah, we're gonna switch them out.
Oh, the puppy and Pooja.
Do you remember when the giraffe was playing with the pumpkin?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the zoo and it's almost. Daddy, what bear is this bird from?
It's from that one right there.
Which one?
The one right there. The one, yeah, the one on the fence.
Hurry up, come on! Come on, Daddy, you can take a picture right here.
Okay.
I don't want to forget you, okay? So that's why I'm saying get in.
Thank you.
Let's go. Let's go. Dita. Daddy, ready for the color?
I am. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. Nothing's gonna find us here.
Nope. What color first? Yeah, just slow slides.
Yeah, very slow. I'm gonna go down it and I'm gonna go up. Good job. Very good. Good job. Mama, look at me. And now
You're bouncing pretty good. That's some good bouncing there.